What's up guys, Mitch from Panda Motorworks here, and in today's video we are going to be going from this to this. I want to give a huge shout out to Toyo Tires for not only sponsoring this video, but also sponsoring our Bronco SEMA build and sending us these Open Country MTs. I think you can all agree that these tires definitely transform the look of the Bronco and make it look like the true off-roader it is. The Open Country MT is a legendary tire from Toyo, known for its durability, off-road performance, long tread life, and aggressive tread pattern. The Open Country MTs were designed to excel off-road, but also have excellent on-road characteristics. So now that we've got our 35s installed on our Ford Bronco, we've run into a slight issue. That is going to be with the front crash bar and the rear intrusion bar. In order to have enough clearance to go full lock and turn the Bronco, we're going to have to remove it. We do not recommend removing these pieces, but in order to get these tires to fit, for our SEMA build, we will be doing that and replacing them with slimmer bars down the road. So that's gonna about wrap up today's video. If you guys like the Toyo Open Countries on our Bronco, be sure to smash that like button. If you want to see more Bronco content or other content from us, be sure to hit subscribe. Make sure you got the notification bell clicked as well. If you have any comments, feel free to drop those below. Thanks for watching.